Hi, my name is Tucker Daigle. I'm here at Rowe Westbrook to give you your tech tip of the week. This week, our tech tip is about brakes. There are three main components to your brake system: your brake pads, your rotors, and your calipers. These three things see the most corrosion due to the salt and calcium that Maine lays down during our harsh winters. This vehicle is a perfect example of how calcium and salt can affect your brakes. These pads and rotors are completely rusted, causing them not to contact each other, causing unsafe braking and premature failure. On most vehicles, clean lube and adjustment of the brake calipers, caliper pins, and slides can save you a lot of money and prolong the life of your brakes. Here at Rowe Westbrook, we can maintain and service your brakes, keeping your brakes in check and you safe on the road.